this is the Arctic Freezer 50, Arctic's big boy air cooler, which we reviewed a couple of weeks ago. And if I would summarize the review, I would say, meh. It is not a bad cooler by any means. Performance-wise, it was the second best air cooler that I had so far, just underneath the NHD15. On the noise side, it was a bit underneath the NHD15 and a lot underneath the Be Quiet Dark Pro 4, but overall it was very much alright, especially considering the price. The main issue which I had in the review was build quality, or how I said it, a ton of plastic. Plastic bracket, plastic frame, with some plastic pieces, plastic, ton of plastic, by using plastic clips, plastic clips, even more plastic. Then, a couple of weeks after that, we reused the cooler in the Battle of the Big Boys, where I had the exact same conclusion. Performance-wise, it was very much alright, but it's the build quality that just annoys me. But before that, there is another issue which is hard to put on camera. It's the noise. This is an Arctic P12. This is an Arctic P14. And this is an Arctic P14 with a P12 just in front of it. And this is now the Arctic Freezer 50 with a P14 and a P12 on the front. I don't know if the microphone will be even able to capture it, but the Freezer 50 got like a very bass-driven undertone, which is annoying as hell, especially if you have it like on a open test bench, like I use it for the benchmarks on the P5. It's annoying, and the normal fans do not have that. And my best guess is that is because... Okay. And my best guess is that it's because of that plastic. Maybe the way everything is shaped is changing the sound, I don't know, but it's annoying. Then, as I already said, the main issue with this, in my opinion, is build quality due to that overuse of plastic. I just don't like it. I'm sure many people wouldn't mind, and sure, once it's installed, it's okay, but if you have this in your hand and compare it to a Nokia NHD15 in the other hand, you can feel a real difference, and it's sad. I don't like it, but I'm also not the type of person who just puts something there, says it's bad, and then my day is made. No, I want to change things. So let's take this Arctic Freezer 50 and make it the Arctic Freezer 51, the cooler that Arctic should be making. Okay, so let's start off with the most important, all of that plastic. You don't need this, you don't need this. Yeah, I'm bleeding. Nice. Yeah. Nice job there. And you don't need this. Yes. This is what you need. This is a nice looking heatsink, and I even like that triangular shape they got going here. It's a nice heatsink. But the reason for all of this here, the reason for this video, is because I recently reviewed the Arctic Liquid Freezer 280. So I got two of these really good and really good performing Arctic P14 PVM ARGB. They still don't have a real name, don't they? No, they have a real name. P14 PVM ARGB. I have two of these lying around, and I know the perfect place where to put them. This is way better. I like it. Yeah, sure, I'm 100% sure I could have made a better job with these mounting clips, but I'm not finicky enough with my hands to do a proper job. I'm sorry, Arctic, but this is the best I could do. That being said, I'm still very happy with how this shit turned out. It looks amazing. I don't know about you. I guess I will be roasted in the comments if you don't like it, but please tell me if you like it or not. But what is way more important is how it turned out in terms of performance. Get this. I retested the original Arctic Freezer 50 with the whole black piece of garbage on there, and I got the exact same results, so the noise and performance tests are still very much applicable here. Using my Frankenstein Arctic Freezer 51, the 100% push performance test showed 48 degrees C. That's 3 degrees less than the original Freezer 51, and that's on the same level as a Nokia NHD 15. I just pushed my Freezer 51 on the same level as a Nokia NHD 15. That's that's amazing. If we take out all of the liquid coolers, that's a bit of an unfair comparison, but now the Arctic Freezer 51 shares the spot for the best performing air cooler that we had so far. That's amazing. Pushing the fan speed down in 10% decrements reveals the exact same thing. We start off at exactly the same level as the NHD 15, and then we even slowly take the lead in the lower PWM speeds. Very interesting here is the overall improvement compared to the Arctic Freezer 50, where the 51 is just always a bit ahead of the original one. Now the most important point would then be noise to performance. Here we can see that the Arctic Freezer 51 starts off a bit louder than a NHD 15 and then slowly becomes quieter. It is quieter in the end. So if we would take this to a normal use case, we know that if we pull everything, like if we render something, the NHD 15 will be a bit quieter, but in idle situations this will be unhearable, whereas the NHD 15 would be slightly less unhearable. I mean, it's hard to say. Truth is, in the lower dBs, what we are talking about 36.0 to 36.2, which you won't hear the difference, but with the dB meter, this is quieter. More interesting is the significant improvement compared to the Arctic Freezer 50, where it is not even, it doesn't make even sense to compare it. The Freezer 50 just loses this so hard. The only one which wins here is, again, the Be Quiet Docker Pro 4, where I nothing beats the Docker Pro 4. It's just unbeatable. But no matter how you turn it around, this works amazing. It freaking works amazing. I'm so proud of myself right now. So what we've done here today is create a Arctic Freezer 51, which is, in my opinion, based on my benchmarks, is significantly better than a Arctic Freezer 50. And in my opinion, and that's just it looks way better. I really enjoy this bare bone looks. No surrounding, how should I call it, case, like the plastic is gone. It's just fans and heatsink and RGB and real RGB, and it looks amazing in my opinion. But I would like to know for you, do you prefer this or do you prefer the original Arctic Freezer 50? I will leave 2 comments down below, one with Arctic Freezer 50, one with Arctic Freezer 51, this one. Please like the comment that you enjoy most. Do you prefer the Freezer 51 or do you prefer the Freezer 50? Just so we can let Arctic know, because who knows, maybe a lot of you like this and would like Arctic to produce this, because guess what? This is on the same performance level as a Nokia NHD 15, so Arctic has everything ready. This is producible, no problem. Anyway, I would like to thank you for watching. I hope Arctic doesn't hate me now, and hopefully see you in the next one.